Welcome students. Today we'll start with more about equations. Symbol equations exercise 4.3. More about equations. Here the difference between the topics we dealt before and today's topic is you have fractions involved in the equations. So your first question is solve the following equations. First one, 2y plus 5 by 2 equal to 37 by 2. Once again, 2y plus 5 by 2 equal to 37 by 2. Students, you can see fractions here, 5 by 2 and 37 by 2. Both are having denominators 2. Okay, so the first step is multiply the entire equation by 2. What is 2? 2 is the denominator of the fraction. So you are going to multiply the entire equation with 2. Okay, so this is the step. 2 into 2y plus 2 into 5 by 2 equal to 2 into 37 by 2. What is 2 into 2y? 2 into 2y is 4y. Here you can see 1, 2 in the numerator and 1, 2 in the denominator. So what will you do? You can cancel it. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So what is remaining? 5. Similarly, here also 1, 2 is in the numerator and 1, 2 is in the denominator. So you will cancel. So what is remaining? 37. So the final equation which you will get is 4y plus 5 equal to 37. Once again, 4y plus 5 equal to 37. Now, using transposing method, you will take plus 5 to the other side. That is minus 5. 4y equal to 37 minus 5. 37 minus 5 is 32. 4y equal to 32. 4 is multiplied here. So when you go to the other side, it becomes division. So y is equal to 32 divided by 4. What is 32 divided by 4? 32 divided by 4 is 8. So the solution for this equation is y equal to 8. Same questions we will discuss in question second. Here you have second one, a by 5 plus 3 equal to 2. A by 5 plus 3 equal to 2. Which is the denominator here? 5. So you will multiply the entire equation by 5. You can see the step here. 5 into a by 5 plus 5 into 3 equal to 2 into 5. Each and every term I am multiplying by the denominator. Here you can see 5 and 5 get cancelled. So what is remaining? A. 5 into 3, 15. 2 into 5, 10. So the equation you will get is a plus 15 equal to 10. I am taking plus 15 to the other side. Plus 15 to the other side. So what will you get? A equal to 10 minus 15. Students, look here, it is 10 minus 15. Smaller number minus larger number. So you will get the answer as minus 5 or negative 5. What is the solution of this equation? The solution of this equation is A equal to minus 5. Let's go to the third question. Q by 4 plus 7 equal to 5. Q by 4 plus 7 equal to 5. Which is the denominator here? 4. 4 is the denominator here. So you are going to multiply the entire equation by 4. Here you can see the steps. So you will get the final equation as Q plus 28 equal to 20. Q plus 28 equal to 20. Q plus 28 equal to 20. Now Q equal to 20 minus 20. So you will have the same problem, that is 20 minus 28. Smaller number minus larger number. So you will get the answer as negative. So Q equal to minus 8. Let's see the next problem. 7m plus 19 by 12 equal to 13. Your fourth question is 7m plus 19 by 2 equal to 13. Which is the denominator here? The denominator here is 2. So multiply the entire equation by 2. 7m into 2 plus 2 into 19 by 2 equal to 13 into 2. So 7 into 2, 14. 2 and 2 get cancelled here. So remaining 19. 2 into 13, 26. So the equation that you will get is 14m plus 19 equal to 26. Transposing plus 19 to the other side, it becomes minus 19. So 14m is equal to 26 minus 19. What is 26 minus 19? It's 7. So 14m is equal to 7. Students, be careful. Here already 7 is there. So you are taking 14 to the denominator. 14 to the denominator. 7 divided by 14. 7 divided by 14. You will get 1 by 2. Don't write 2. It is 1 by 2. Next question. Fifth one. 2b by 3 minus 5 equal to 3. 2b by 3 minus 5 equal to 3. Multiply the entire equation by which number? 3. Why? The denominator is 3. Multiply the entire equation by 3. So you will get 2b minus 15 equal to 9. How did you get this? 3 and 3 get cancelled. So 2b is remaining. 3 into 5. What is that? 15. 3 into 3, 9. Transposing minus 15 to the other, it becomes plus 15. 9 plus 15, 24. So 2 into b equal to 24. Once again, 2 into b equal to 24. So b is equal to 24 by 2 equal to 12. Okay, so the fifth answer is 12. That is, the solution of the equation is b equal to 12. By this, we end our today's session. So, Do the problems very well. Understand the concepts clearly. Thank you.